Wine slow, don't rush the move. Let the rhythm guide every step you move. From the left to the right, feel the island deep in your waistline, roll to the reggae beat. Hands in the air when the drum them slam, hold hands slow, vibing to the beat.
Tell what you say, bro.
These niggas had to go get a job. They go to Vertigo right there.
That's him.
God. You gotta come through me to get a vert.
He the guard.
You gotta come through me to get a vert.
If you don't go.
I checked, I was the man on these streets. They call me residue, I leap blow on these beats. Got diarrhea flow, now I shit on niggas. Even when I'm constipated, I still shit on niggas. Let's get it. Got some super friends in the Legion of Doom. Stay blowing purple shit, they keep me high like the moon. I'm an affiliate, I know hit me. I'm a hater like you, fuck my wrist knee. Niggas sneak dissing, and that ain't how we play. Fuck with mine, get your drama like the DJ. Now tell me I ain't real. This AR that I'm holding got a gangster grill. Went from old school Chevys to Beamer Coupes. Got 100 niggas with me and everybody gon' shoot. Try me, nigga, that's your first mistake. Eat your little ass up like a Chanterelles plate. The whole pie like dominoes, yes indeed. Try to stack my bacon up, I need extra cheese. You can try, dawg, but it ain't easy. Mix the flake with the soda, got young G's. You still wanna talk blow, man. Soft white like Alaska, call me snowman. By the pound, by the field. Re-up on the first, then again on the field. Yeah, we trap or die, nigga. We trap or die, niggas. Hoes love a nigga, cause they know that we the truth. Got the Chevy same color, Tropicana orange juice. Yeah, we trap or die, nigga. We trap or die, nigga. Post on the block, rain, sleet, snow, sunny. Slow motion, don't nothing move but the money. Trap all day, with no lunch breaks. It's dinner time, but a gangster cooking pancakes. Rubber bands when we wrap them stacks. Time to ship it out of town, you know Saran's the rap. Think ahead in case them K9s get loose. Inner tubes like the ties on my mongoose. By the pound, by the field. Re-up on the first, then again on the field. Yeah, we trap or die, nigga. We trap or die, niggas. Hoes love a nigga, cause they know that we the truth. Got the Chevy same color, Tropicana orange juice. Yeah, we trap or die, nigga. We trap or die, nigga.
Yeah, I'm back up in the hood again, where it's all good
hood again, riding candy slab, gripping on the wood again. Out of line niggas, get back in place where you should have been. In case you don't understand, I'ma make it understood again. King of the underground, my gangster will never fail. You about to make me go postal for fucking with my mail. Yeah, you got the connect, but you ain't got the clientele. You them folks and niggas know it. This shit ain't hard to tell, rat bitch. Recognize that your cheese ain't finna sell. Think I'm finna break some bread with the feds, you dumb as hell. I've been around the block before, sold it all for rock the blow, and I don't fuck around. When them feds in town, I got to go. Respect my mind, cause I'm a trill, old schooler. Summertime get too hot, I wait for winter when it's cooler. UGK for life, free to pimp, you know the deal. And PAT is trap or dying, we ain't down for getting killed.
Smoke perk by the pound, juice by the fill. Re-up on the first, then again on the field. Yeah, we trap or die, nigga. We trap or die, niggas. Hoes love a nigga, cause they know that we the truth. Got the Chevy same color, Tropicana orange juice. Yeah, we trap or die, nigga.
This is a Hitman production.
that Rockefeller music. Soulful. Say hello to the bad guy. They say I'm a bad guy. I come from the bottom, but now I'm mad fly. They say I'm a menace, that's the picture they paint. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I ain't. They say I'm a bad guy, say hi to the bad guy. I come from the bottom, but now I'm mad fly. They say I'm a menace, that's the picture they paint. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I ain't. Hey, hello, hey, hey. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I ain't. I ain't playing life short, so I ain't.
What it is, man, Mr. Gotta Have It is in the building, you heard me? Hey, one thing about it, we gotta have it. We gotta have something in life, you heard me? Hey, follow me, gotta have it enterprising. Gotta have it clothing, gotta have it photography, gotta have it travels, gotta have it marketing, man. Holla at me, one-stop shop, baby. Big Bill.
I'm insane. Remember dark skin Jermaine, swayed in the rain, sorta kinda the same. Except I'm no lame and you gonna know my name. Before I go, the world gon' feel my pain. Insane, I'm a bad guy, why's that? Cause when my back's against the wall, I react. Secretly though, I know you admire that. You wish you had the balls to fire back. Say hello, hello. Wish you had the balls to fire back. We say hello to the bad guy. They say I'm a bad guy. I come from the bottom, but now I'm mad fly. They say I'm a menace, that's the picture they paint. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I ain't. They say I'm a bad guy, say hi to the bad guy. I come from the bottom, but now I'm mad fly. They say I'm a menace, that's the picture they paint. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I ain't. Hey, hello, hey. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I ain't. I ain't no ordinary. Look around, this ain't what ordinary gets you. It ain't. Extraordinary figures. I'm an extraordinary. Before my name became Jigga, before I sang I had that thing on slippers. Can't complain about what they ain't gon' give ya. That ain't gon' get you. Might as well give up or get up, get out and get something. Get a job, or get the dumping. Only God can judge him, only he without sin. Tell me if my means justify my ends. Tipping, I'm just gon' fly in the Benz. Wire my friends through Western Union. Supplies in, my system knocking. Here comes the bad guy again. Say hello, hello, hello. Here comes the bad guy again. Say hello to the bad guy. They say I'm a bad guy. I come from the bottom, but now I'm mad fly. They say I'm a menace, that's the picture they paint. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I ain't. They say I'm a bad guy, say hi to the bad guy. I come from the bottom, but now I'm mad fly. They say I'm a menace, that's the picture they paint. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I ain't. Hey, hello, hey. Let me tell you what I ain't. We ain't thugs for the sake of just being thugs. Nobody do that where we grew at. The poverty line we not above, so I'll come to mask and glove, cause we ain't feeling the love. We ain't doing crime for the sake of doing crimes. We moving dimes cause we ain't doing fine. 1 out of 3 of us is locked up doing time. You know what the type of can do to it. My mind on my money, money on my mind. If you owe me $10, you ain't giving me 9. Y'all ain't give me 40 acres in the mule. So I got my Glock 40, now I'm cool. And if I shot, then it's speaking for me. Somebody get him the word and tell him I don't approve. Tell him I remove the curses. If he tell me our school's gon' be perfect. When Gen 6 don't exist, tell him that's when I stop singing. You say hello to the bad guy. They say I'm a bad guy. I come from the bottom, but now I'm mad fly. They say I'm a menace, that's the picture they paint.
What's happening? Belgium, man. Come back to show some love, man.
I come from the bottom, but now I'm mad fly. They say I'm a menace, that's the picture they paint. They say a lot about me, let me tell you what I ain't. Hey, hello.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Monroe. True story. Yeah, yeah. I fell in love with the dope game. I was supposed to, but mama stressed out in bills late. So what I'm gon' do? I hit the street head first. Now I'm the man. And mama single mother, so she doing what she can. Hey, what you know about coming home? Evictions on the door, and I ain't wanna rob, so the dope ain't what I chose. The money came fast, and I started getting in. I got addicted to the trap, and now I'm 10 years in. So I gotta. Hey, I fell in love with the street shit. Yeah. But this shit made me the man I am today.
Going out of bounds, trying to catch up with bro. I ain't with that Drake. Bitch, the gang ain't 18 years. We meet on 3 times in a day. If I could do that,
so every time I re-up, always double what was mine. I started getting heavy, getting stupid clientele. The next thing I know, I was busting down bells. I started copping 20, so he from me what I buy. I got my first 50 racks and threw them bitches to the sky. But ain't no stopping. I was making 10K a week and niggas profit. I started to expand and I started getting bigger. Start fucking with this nigga 969 up in Memphis. Big fat nigga, man, the boy was moving pounds. He had a big cousin and them boy was getting down. He scored 100 pounds, man, each and every week. I thought that boy was 100 till he sent me with police.
the whole world been waiting on me. Took that knife all the way to R&D, gave it to my little homie, nigga. Ain't no more move pops with Mr. Goldman, nigga.
I love the game. No, I love the hustle. When it got dope, a nigga can lead the lead. But if I leave, fans still gon' love me.
I come down in the drop, throwing up my hood when I let down the top. I ain't gon' stop now, I ain't gon' quit. Let the field foul, press the button, drop the key. I'm coming from the north, I'm headed to the south. To act real bad, got to break boys off. And I'm sipping syrup, 2 prongs on the curb. Catch me in the trap strap, breaking down a bird. All up in the kitchen, south I be pitching. Got me riding slam, fresh peanut butter stitching. I'm pulling out the side.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Alexis Sade, your favorite model. I'm out here at the car meet. If you ever need a model, I'm your girl. I'm also your favorite esthetician, so if you ever need a facial or you need some skincare advice, I'm that girl.
Tree, acres, home soldier, good bankers, where I be. I'm cool out.
Guilty in the first place. I let my demon in the face, I'm booted up the worst way. She want my semen so she can run with and take it to the bank. I can't grieve cause ain't none of my grandma bills late. I bought my mansion and it came with a lake. So real, my thing, I got every code in my thing. I told all my ex-hoes can't on
me dying and taking you niggas money. Cause when I'm hungry, I'ma take it. Grab an AK and I'll rob a nigga naked. Or call up the homies, have them hiding in your bushes. The strong gon' survive, gangsters take shit from pussies. Rest in peace to Grace, rest in peace to 3-2. 2 soldiers for the cash that done went to be with Screw. This is for the city, gon' throw your H's up. The real drink sippers, we can't put away the cup. These niggas knew Houston, this is Screw Houston. 9495 back door, nigga toasting. All by the case and the gas by the pine. The coke by the key, 6 G's for the 9. I don't do no line, I'ma speak the real, I'ma speak the truth, cause I got to keep it real. I'm a slam rider, I'm a bumper key recliner. I hit that 610, got to exit West Timer. Got to hit the Richmond, got to hit that Post O. I'm straight up out the north, throwing up that 4-4. My music so slow, but the paper come fast. I be on their ass, man, I'm all about my cash. Pockets real thick, I work the trap with the stick. The judge 410 with buckshots and whole 6. The chrome Desert Eagle fit the car, that bitch clean. This for my G-Day, man, it's 10-16, bitch.
I tried to let you pussy niggas eat. It's time to put you pussy boys to sleep. Pussy niggas always wanna talk. I'm busy getting pussy like a fucking boss. I smell a pussy from a block away. Let's shoot them pussies from a block away. They wanna see a nigga in the cage. Baby mama garnishing a nigga wage. I just went and got the Chevy spray. Pussy nigga wanna neighborhood drug dealer. Ghetto hero boy, you wouldn't be that chick. Look at you ready for bad things, nigga.
I got another set of 15. I got another one of them same ounces. Where to go? These nuts lying, bitch. Right, come on with it. Yeah, you do. You want about to take a picture of them motherfucking window, you was sick. You ain't in a minute, nigga. No, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What's going on? Well, you got another one.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no small. And mama cooked the breakfast with no hog. I got my grub on, but didn't